Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. And what's your name?
Boboy.
Boboy. Yes, this is my son. He wanted to join me for today's video. And it's just going to be a really quick one, you guys. Before I get started, if you guys aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join our little ohana that we have here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do post.
Don't forget my videos I make.
Don't forget his videos he makes. And yeah, you guys, let's get right on into this haul video. So as you guys can see from the title of the video, my twin sister was kind enough to send me a care package from home because she knows I get so homesick. So she sent me a bunch of goodies and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what she sent me. So right here I have all of the goodies in this Tamba bag. If you guys don't know what Tamba is, it is a Kauai surf company. So it's a local company from Kauai, which is where we are from. We used to live in Kauai for many years. We would go back from Kauai to Oahu. So for her to just send all these goodies in this bag, it made me really happy because I love Tamba. I have the hats, I have the sticker on my car. Now I have this bag. She also sent me a keychain that I don't have on me right now, but it's on my car keys. And I love Tamba. It reminds me of home, and I miss home so much. Okay, so the first thing that I was really excited for, I actually asked her to send this to me, and yeah, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but when I went back home during my break, I did go to Starbucks and they had this Starbucks cup, and it is exclusive to Hawaii, and it even says Hawaii on it. And I bought one and I'm like, oh, I'm so in love with this cup. I don't know what it is, but I drink so much water when I drink out of cups like these tumblers. And Boboy enjoys sharing with me too. But I am a person where if I find something that I absolutely love, I am like deathly afraid of one day this cup is gonna break, or I'm gonna lose it, or something's gonna happen to it and I'm not gonna have another one. And it is exclusive to Hawaii, and I don't know how long they're gonna have this design. So I asked her to get me a backup cup. Thank you, Kels. Thank you. Thank you. So I started using that one because I know I have a backup when I need it, you know. And for those of you guys who don't know, my twin's name is Kalsie. It's just like my name, but if you slap a L in there, then that's her name. Kasie and Kalsie. Kasie and Kalsie. Insert baby twin picture here. Okay, and then the next thing that she sent me was a bunch of goodies, like snacks, because I wanted snacks, you know. So she sent me these. These are the shoyu age arare. And she sent me 3 bags of these. Guys, when I tell you guys, these are so good. They're so dang good. I know they're not good for you, but I don't know. This is just so good. My kids love them too. So she sent me 3 of these. So here we have it. We have three of these, and then she also sent me 3 bags of the premium mix arare, and that is what it looks like. I have been trying to find arare out here, but they just have the really traditional Japanese one, and this one is more like, it's almost like coated in like shoyu or something. It has more of that sweet taste, and it's just so good. We used to eat this all the time growing up. We used to put some on a plate and put like sliced Kraft cheese or whatever on top, microwave it for a little bit so it gets all melted, and we used to eat it like that. It was the weirdest thing. Everybody thought it was so weird, but it's so ono, you guys, so ono. So she sent me 3 bags of that. Thank you, Kalsie. Thank you, Twinnie. We call each other Twinnie. She also sent me these full moon crackers. I don't know if you guys...
You got another one?
I don't know if you guys have ever seen these or tried them before.
She sent me. I thought she sent her one.
Okay, boy. He caught me. She sent me these and it was just like so much memories because we used to eat this all the time growing up, and I was just like, yay. And she did send me 2 bags, but the kids already ate 1. And then the other day I got a little box in the mail. I don't have the box, but I do have the bag. And she sent me this little goodie bag, and it says, "Hi Case, have a blissful Mother's Day. Love, Kels." So yeah, you guys, that was really nice of her. She surprised me. I didn't even open it yet. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing I see is this little bag right here. And it says Hamilton Boutique. And I already know what this is. I already know what this is because she sent me a picture of it. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And she knows me so well. So this is what she sent me. It is the cutest little pineapple keychain, and it also has like another little pineapple here as well as a palm tree, and then it has like a little stamp thing here that says Hawaii. But yeah, it's just like a cute little pineapple keychain, and she knows that I recently picked up another pineapple keychain, and I'm just obsessed with pineapples. Everybody knows it. So thank you, Kels. This is so cute. I love it. It looks prettier in person than the picture was. It's so cute. And then there's one more thing in here, and it says it is a size medium. Ooh! Okay, so it's a tank top, guys, and the back of it says Aloha Bliss Closet Hawaii. Wow. And then the front of the tank top has a cute pineapple wearing some shades. And that is what that looks like. So yeah, you guys, my sister sent me a pineapple tank top, and oh my gosh, it is just so stinking cute. Look at the pineapple. Oh my god.
The stinking butt.
Don't say that. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that my twin sister sent me. That was so nice of her to send me. I'm so excited about this tank top because it's so nice. Guys, I'm gonna rock this so much. I just wish I had like 50 more tank tops like this. It is gonna be getting really hot. So to have more tank tops, oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna look online and see if they have like an online site where I can get more. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul of what my twin sent me. I just wanted to say thank you so much, Kels. I miss you so much, and I love you even more. Thank you for just keeping in touch with me. You know that I don't talk to a lot of people being out here, and I get really homesick. So the fact that you make that effort to text me or call me just at any time of day, every day, there's nothing like that twin sister bond. And I love you so much, Kalsie. Thank you for all of this. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. And if you guys didn't know that I was a twin, well, surprise, I'm a twin. Yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot, and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget, you guys are beautiful, and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for being here, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!